Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. So this will be the part 2 of my video series on broadcast receiver using Android Studio. Okay guys, so in this video what I am going to show you, I am going to teach you on how to check if your mobile is charging or not, okay, using broadcast receiver. So guys, let's get started. So first of all, let's create a class named as my charge broadcast. Okay, and first of all what you need to do is you need to extend it with broadcast receiver, and you need to override the method on receive. All right, and after that what you need to do is you need to specify your broadcast, okay, in your Android manifest. After that what you need to do is you need to go to your main activity, and in here on resume method what you need to do, you need to call the broadcast. So for that, first of all, let's initialize the object. So we can say charge broadcast, and in here we first of all let's create the object, initialize the object equals to new charge broadcast. And after that what we are going to do, we are going to use an intent filter. Okay, so intent filter equals to new intent filter. Okay, and now what we are going to do, we are going to type intent filter dot add action. And what action we are going to take? Intent dot action power connected. All right, and also we need to have intent filter dot add action intent dot action power disconnected. All right, and finally we need to register. So we say register receiver, and first of all we will provide the charge broadcast, and the second one will be the intent filter. All right, and after that what we are going to do is in our own resume method we need to stop. Okay, in our own, okay, sorry, on pause method. And in our own pause method what we are going to do, we are going to say charge broadcast. Okay, so unregister receiver, and in here we need to provide charge broadcast. All right, and let's go down to our charge broadcast, and in here we need, so now what we are going to do, we need to check if intent dot get action get intent dot get action dot equals intent dot action power connected. All right, then you need to print a message that phone is charging. All right, and in our else part what we are going to do, we are going to say that else if intent dot get action dot equals intent dot action power disconnected. And here sorry, you can say charger disconnected. All right, so now what we are going to do is let me show you the output. So first of all let me connect my phone with side sync. All right, let me connect my phone. All right, so let me connect my phone. So here we have the application. Okay, okay, let me connect it wirelessly, then I will show you if I connect the charger with it. Okay, so here I have. All right guys, so now when we open our application, okay, and if I connect my charger, okay, so now I connect my charger, so you can see the device is charging. Okay, if I remove the, so device is not charging. Okay guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.